Okay, next one, example 28. Two parallel plates are set a distance of 15 mm apart in a vacuum as illustrated in figure 5. The top plate is at potential positive 200 volt and the bottom plate is at potential negative 200 volt. Okay, first question, copy figure 5 and draw lines to show the electric field between the plates and show a possible path of the electron as it passes between the plates. Okay, so we have here parallel plates, positive 200 volt, negative 200 volt, a distance of 15 millimeter, and then we have electron. Now we want to show the direction of electric field and also the path of the electron. Okay, so we just copy this one. And then we want to show the direction of electric field. So direction of electric field will always be going towards negative plate. So negative plate kita di bawah. So you just buat macam ni je lah. This will, and then label E to show that is the direction of electric field. Okay, and then we want to show the path of the electron. So this one adalah under case number 2. We have moving electron, moving charge perpendicularly. So since dia adalah electron, so dia akan deflect towards the positive plate. So dia akan go like this. Okay, sorry, should be like this lah, parabolic. So you just lukis maybe something like that, sorry. Okay, yeah, you just need to sketch. It doesn't have to be very precise as long as you show the parabolic path macam tu. Okay, so this one adalah soalan A. And then soalan B, explain the shape of the path. So the shape of the path here would be parabolic. So you can just explain in terms of words, because I don't think you can explain in terms of formula. So in terms of word, you can say that the path of electron in between the plates is a parabolic path. Okay, and outside, it doesn't say outside. It just say that explain the shape of the path. Show possible path of electron as it passes between the plates. Or you can just also mention that, and the path of electron outside the plates is straight line. Okay, sebab dia initially dia adalah straight line dekat luar, and then apabila dia masuk, barulah dia start to deflect. Okay, and then last one, we want to calculate the magnitude of the force of the electron. Okay, so soalan C, we want to find the force. Keluarkan formula untuk force. Force adalah sama dengan Q times with E. And then are we given the value for E? We are not given the value for E, but we are given the value for volt here. So we can say that Q is equal to delta V divided by D. Okay, so from here you just masukkan lah. Okay, before that, delta V adalah sama dengan the potential difference between these two, right? Which is final minus initial. Final minus initial. So final kita adalah negative 200 sebab the electric field is moving from this side to this side, right? So final minus initial. minus 200. So it will be negative 400 volt. So here, okay, Q adalah electron. Electron is 1.6 exponent negative 19. Okay, this one adalah constant value of the electron, charge of electron. Delta V, negative 400, divided by the distance between these two plates, 15 millimeters. So convert to meter. So you will get the force is equal to, so here we'll get negative 4.27 exponent negative 15 Newton. Okay, so negative dekat sini mesti masukkan because it's a potential difference. So in the end kamu akan dapat negative, but since we only want the magnitude of the force, so you can just leave your answer like this. Letak negatif pun boleh, ataupun kalau kamu tidak letakkan negatif pun diterima juga. Okay, so that's all for example 28.